Hi and welcome to FynOne. Today we are very excited to launch the feature of recurring invoices, a very interesting feature that allows automated invoice drafts to get created based on frequencies that you choose. So within income and collections, you can navigate to the add or view invoice and you will see a new section here called as recurring invoices. You can create a fresh recurring invoice. Basically, this is like a master. So you mention the details of the customer and give a frequency. Or if you have already created invoices for a specific customer, on the three dots option, you can click this icon called as convert to recurring invoice. So either ways is possible. So you can either for this ABC enterprise say that you want to convert this to recurring invoice. So all the details pertaining to that invoice, be it item details, customer details, GST details, any purchase order information, item details, prices, etc., will all get auto populated, and you can just even the RM if you have already given for that particular invoice, and you only have to choose the frequency and the due date. So you can just mention saying this is invoice that you would generate every month. So your monthly, quarterly and annual, and you can give the due date of that invoice. That is the date on which that invoice has to get created. So you can say it has to be created on the 20th of every month. So exactly 20th morning of every month, this invoice will go and sit in the draft invoices tab. So you can then later go to the draft invoices. So let's say you have already generated or you created this master for 10 customers. So all those 10 customers invoices on those specific dates will go and sit into the draft invoices tab. So we have here due date is 20. So every month, 20th of the particular month for the financial year will go and get and will go and sit in this draft invoice. So it will not come today. It will happen only on the early morning of 20th, and from the draft, as you are aware, you can choose that particular invoice. You can edit it, convert it to an invoice, and from that the process is complete. So how this helps you significantly is it reduces manual intervention to about 90-95%. We are just creating a rule. This is the rule. The drafts are getting created. You just review the draft and go ahead and convert it or save it as an invoice. So post it as an invoice, and that activity is done. To also see the calendar, so let's say you've created a lot of recurring invoices and you want to know for the current month what are the invoices that are due, that are active, that are draft, etc. You have this option here. So you click on the calendar icon. Where you found it is next to this add recurring invoice button. You have a calendar icon. Click that for that particular month. How many active? Active means these are these have got converted to invoices. How many are in draft stage and how many are pending to be converted to draft, which means that these are going to happen. So we are on 14th and this is going to happen on 20th. So on 20th, this pending will go and get converted to a draft. Once you go edit the draft and convert it to an invoice, it will go and show as a active. Okay, so you will see you can go to subsequent months. So as I mentioned, that invoice for 20th has got saved for all the months within that financial year, and therefore you'll be able to see that till that financial year where all I mean what are the recurring invoices. So this is a very useful feature. The same concept we are going to repeat it for purchases, for other income and other expenses also very shortly, so that the time spent on data entry is drastically reduced and you're just focused on core business while FynOne takes care of the financial management aspect. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.